guys, it's me Brooke. So you might hear that background noise, but I am making these cute bracelets for Grateful Lodge for my birthday. And if Lainey and Natalie are watching this, you guys get to go to my 11th Grateful Lodge birthday party in October for 2 nights, and we're going to be staying at a kid cabin. So here, I want to give a shout out to Lainey Jane, my best friend. But Natalie doesn't have a YouTube channel. So yeah, I just finished mine. We're going to be doing these cute little patterns. And then I'm going to move on to Lainey's. Lainey's is going to have this cute purple string. And then for Lainey's, I'm going to, of course, start with a little cute star bead. These are like 2 shoelace stuff. And then I'm going to start with blue. No, for her, I'm going to start with pink. And then, actually no, blue. I know she likes blue. And then, bring blue bead in. So blue, and then I'm going to do pink, and then green. No, then purple, green. And then I'm going to do this one more time. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, wait. And then the next one's purple. And I said that this video I'm going to be making slime. The next video I'm going to be making slime. Okay, this one. And then to top it off, I'm going to put one more blue bead. And then one more star bead. And then I'm going to get the buckle on it. So here's the Lainey's bracelet. It's bad lighting in here because my time says 8:36. So it's 8:36 right now. My bedtime is 9. So comment down below what your bedtime is and your favorite vacation spot. Mine is Disneyland and Grateful Lodge. You want to make sure it's really tight. And then I'm going to do the rest here. And then I'm trying to find the other buckle, but I can't find it for Nat's. Nat might not be going, so yeah. I feel like I had another buckle, but I just lost it. Let me see. So, I'm going to show you my bracelets. Here's these cute little bracelets. I'm going to do the rest in just a sec. And I'll be making fluffy slime. And then I'm going to be putting these cute little hearts in them. Here they go. Okay, see, but those are beads. It's sort of hard to see. But peace out. Peace out. See you in my next video. I'll be making slime. It's either going to be this weekend or next week. So peace out, love, sleep, and play. Vacation friends are coming. Bye.